Okay, so let's talk about parts of a fraction. If you have a standard fraction of 2/5, the top part of that fraction is called the numerator. The bottom part is called the denominator. This is a standard fraction. This would mean you ate less than the whole thing. You only ate 2 pieces of the 5 pieces in a candy bar. So if the candy bar is broken up into 5 pieces, you only ate 2 of them. So you ate less than half the candy bar. That's very specific. It tells you exactly how much you ate. If I say a 5 over a 2, that's still a fraction, but it's top heavy. It's going to fall over. We call that an improper fraction. Most people don't like to leave fractions in that form unless you want to do something specific with it later. I personally don't want you to leave fractions in improper form. I want you to change it back to a regular looking fraction. And the way to do that is to remember that all fractions essentially are division problems. So this would be said like this: 5 divided by 2. So if we do this division from 5 divided by 2, 2 goes into 5 2 times. 2 times 2 is 4. We're going to have 1 left over. So there's our division problem. Now we can rewrite each of these parts back into a fraction, so we know what that fraction looks like in more of a standard form. The way to do that is the remainder always goes on top, the divisor goes on bottom, and your answer goes in front. So if I had an improper fraction of 5 over 2, really what that's telling me is I ate 2 whole candy bars and then half of another candy bar. So a different way to show the fraction. Improper, this one is called a mixed number fraction because you've got a whole number with a fraction attached to it. Okay? So you've got a regular fraction, improper fraction, and a mixed number.